Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing yakob lakai badminton hapdeng kinongi lakai na kaleng kejela. Ha ke Lempung ke Balatem kum ke 36 State Badminton Championship 2019. Ke Bala Pelong Hajuai da ke West Jantia District Badminton Association. Ringkat ke Jing Trelang bat ke Meghalaya State Badminton Association. Ha ke Laipoi Trek jong unailar mentau senam arjar ka kendai. Kalapoi sya ke bakut no. Haba pai sya ke Jing yok kamai bon ki point ne kinoi lakai ki balja bon kita kema ha ke ne ke Lempung ke Basau Sengi ke East Castles District kalalong kalado ha ke ne ke Lempung. Haden bakalayo ya ke nam job ha ki kendai tli ke je kon. Bot part sa ke West Gentiles District ke bala job pratli kat ba ke Kenhon YTBC kala job tangkawai. Haba pai se ke je kon ha ka under 13 jong kishan rang la job dau ebhami bare hadien bau la pelim no yo pratham mujundar kat ba ha ka double spot la job da u ebhami bare bat u leminelson suchiang hadien bakila pelim no yo pratham mujundar bat u Aaron Monin ha ka under 13 jong kikin thai pat la job da ka Pratiksha Joshi ke bala pelim no yo ka Sofia Leki Dakhar ha ka under 15 na kaliang kishan rang la job da Mohit Joshi Hadien baula pelim no yo Arman Roy Baman kat bah ka double spot la job da Owawan Khar bat u Arman Roy Baman ki bala penrem no yo Ritre Dami Nongplo bat u Sambal Lamare ha ka under 15 jo kikin thai pat la job da ka Pratiksha Joshi hadien bakala prem no yo ka Anji Nora Momin ha ka under 17 pat jo kishan rang la job da u Delengwa Nongplo bala prem no yo Gregory Pasa kat bah ka double spot la job da u Delangwa Nongplo bat u Gregory Pasa ki bala pelem no ya u Rapki Charmang bat u Ritre Nongplo ha ka under 17 ki kin thai pat la job da ka Anji Nora Momen haden ba la pelem no ya ka Sonal Joshi ha ka under 19 jo kishan rang la job da Andrew Lodzem u bala penram no ya u Risami Pasa kat bah ka double spot la job da u Risami Pasa bat u Buram Langki Lakyang ki bala perem no ya u Dailangwa Nongplo bat wong per lalu ha ka under 19 jo kikin thai pat la job da ka El Sarika Umdor ka bala penrem no ya ka Sonal Joshi ha ka mixed double pat ha ka under 19 la job da u Hirisami Pasa bat ka Josephina Pasa hadin bakila perem no ya u Ben Hanan Kharwanlang bat ka El Sarika Umdor haba phai se ka je kon jo ki bahe pat bamdan show ka je perking rata na kikin thai la job da ka Priti Singh hadin bakala perem no ya ka Sanggita Kesing kat bah ka double spot la job da ka Priti Singh bat ka Sanggita Kesing ki bala perlem no ya Ubanadin Rapsang bat ka Shelja Chatri ha ka Jacob jong kishan rang pat la job da Andrew Lodzem hadin ba ula perlem no ya Ritu Raj kat bah ka mixed double pat la job da Meban Ker Shulai bat ka Dorothy C Chalam ki bala perem no ya Raju Joshi bat ka Priti Singh ha ka ni ka sngi la put no ya ka ni ka Jacob la kai badminton ringkat ka jiran lang u MLA jong ka Jawai constituency u ba Wailat Miki Shilla kum kongsan ringkat ka jiran lang u president jong ka Meghalaya State Badminton Association u Dr. W Kharshieng bat ki wedi kit khot jo kiseng ba pelong ya ka ni ka Lempung
today standing here as chief guest I really don't know much about badminton. I just know how to hit it, then with the racket and balls. But myself, I used to play basketball during my college days. I used to represent this region twice in national level in basketball. So I used to devote my time in basketball. But I do know something about this game. But I don't want to talk much because you know better than me. So I just like to request you to please work hard and hard, especially these days where this game is no longer like before. It has become famous day by day, and especially these recent days. As I hope all of you know, India is the world champion in badminton. This PV Sindhu is the new world champion who is from India. So it really a proud moment for us declare that this 36th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship organized by the Meghalaya State Badminton Association declared closed. Thank you.